Scores of people have gathered out here in Jaipur demanding release of Sonam Wangchuk, who has been kept at the Jodhpur Central Jail. You can see all of these people who have gathered near the Jawahar Circle, and all of these people who have been demanding the release of Sonam Wangchuk. They maintain that his arrest was wrongful, and that is why they are demanding the release of Sonam Wangchuk. Ashutosh, one of the activists, is with me right now. Ashutosh, what is the main reason behind your demand for release of Sonam Wangchuk?
See, Sonam Wangchuk is a renowned scientist. He's a renowned climate change activist. He has been fighting for the people of Ladakh since last 35 years. Someone like him who has worked so hard in the field of education, to sort of tag him as a terrorist, as someone who is anti-national, is pathetic. It's disgusting, and it's even more shameful that he has been arrested and brought to the pristine land of Rajasthan. Our demand is very, very simple. Someone like Sonam Wangchuk is not a terrorist. He is a true patriot. He is a true nationalist.
Not true that he has been accused of instigating or being a part of violent protests.
Sonam Wangchuk is a hardcore Gandhian. He has been fasting since so many years. Last year also he fasted for 15 days. This time also he had originally planned to fast for 35 days, but the moment the violence broke out, he immediately ended up his unshan, and he said that he doesn't support any form of violence, is not related to the movement at all. So Sonam Wangchuk is not someone who can support violence at any point.
As you can see, all of these people who have come from different parts of Jaipur and who have gathered out here, they have been demanding the release of Sonam Wangchuk. क्या नाम है आपका?
मेरा नाम राशिद हसन है।
सोनम वांगचुक की जो गिरफ्तारी हुई है, आप उनकी रिलीज की मांग को लेकर यहाँ पर आए हैं, क्या कहना है आप?
देखिए, मैं ये कहूँगा कि सोनम वांगचुक के जो है वो ब्लड के अंदर जो है वो अहिंसा नहीं है, क्योंकि उनके फादर सोनम वांगल जो है उन्होंने 1984 में जो है जनजाति के लिए जो है भूख हड़ताल किया था। श्रीमती इंदिरा गांधी ने जाकर वहीं पर ही जो है ले में उनका जो है वो तोड़वाया। और सोनम वांगचुक जो है वो सिर्फ एक साइंटिस्ट ही नहीं है, वो सिर्फ एक शिक्षक ही नहीं है। उन्होंने उनकी जो जिस तरह की देश के लिए प्रेम है उनका, उसको हम भूल नहीं सकते, क्योंकि उन्होंने आर्मी के लिए उस बर्फीले एरिया में लेह के अंदर जो है वो उस तरीके के शेल्टर बनाए हैं, टेंट बनाए हैं, जिससे वहाँ की आर्मी को रहने के लिए और वहाँ के जवानों को रहने के लिए सुविधा प्रदान की। और यही नहीं, केवल उसने जो भूख हड़ताल पर बैठे हुए थे 15 दिन से, उसमें भूख हड़ताल के दौरान ही जिस तरह का जो है हिंसक हुआ, उन्होंने फौरन अपना जो है आंदोलन बंद कर दिया।
So the assertion has been that Sonam Wangchuk has been involved in several acts of social work, and all of these people who have gathered out here, they have been demanding that Sonam Wangchuk, these people have been demanding that Sonam Wangchuk be released, and they claim that they have claimed that the act of his arrest and his confinement at the Jodhpur Central Jail is wrongful and should not be carried forward. With camera person Manish Devankur Bodhavan in Jaipur for India Today.